Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 21st, 2023. First day in autumn, yes. And in this edition, I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, and the next one is the Sudoku with 4 stars. Number 7137. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos, 3 threes, 2 fours, 3 fives, 3 sixes, 3 sevens, 1 8, 2 9. So it's divided. Let me see which number I can pick. We have a 3 in this row. Oh well, we have 4 threes. Correction, 4 threes. Let me start with the 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3. Okay, cannot continue with the 3 now, need to wait. 4 4 4 4. How about the 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column? So we count next. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 6. Okay. 6 6 6. Yeah. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in this column, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then, yeah. 6 6 6 6 6. Well, in this column we need a 6 in this column. Here can be a 6 because we have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. Here can be a 6 because we have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. So the 6 in this third column could be here, here or there. Here or there. We see another 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here 6 in that row, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 in this third column should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 6 5 5. Okay. How about the number? Need a 4 here, yeah. The 4 there. Need a 4 here, okay. Need a 4. Well, we have here in this row 1 2 3 4 5. 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 in this box. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this row could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 4 in the row below, so last row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Two missing numbers in the last column. In the last column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in the last row. So here can be a 4. The 4 is supposed to be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row, so the row between only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. On there we see a 7 in the second column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah, I need to wait. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no third row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in this column, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there we see a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, there only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Here we have 4, here we have 4. Alright, now, need a 1 here, need a 1 there. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the first column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in that box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between in the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next on that column. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 1, 1, okay. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about, well, 7, need a 9 here, need a 9 there. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need an 8, need a 5 here. 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing. 8 and 9. Let me mark those. 2 and a 5. Yeah. Alright. 7. 8 here. 3. Yeah, the 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in the second row. No 7 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and a 9. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2, 2. 8. 8. Need a 9 here. How about 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have 4 in the third row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in the second column, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Well, not true. We have a 5 in this big square, so this box can't be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be an 8. Okay. We have an 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left with 8 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 now in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. We need a 4 there, okay. Let me think. 8, 9 and 9 and 2. Well, 2 missing numbers in the first column for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those. So here also 1 and 5 are missing. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 9. 7, 3, 4, 6. Well. 8. 2. No. Thinking. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row though, we need 2 places left where the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, okay. 2, 3. 7 and a 9. We already have a 9 here in the first row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in the first row. The numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3 are missing in the first row. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. Then 8 and a 9. 8, 9 and 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 8 and a 9. Okay. 7 and a 4, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, 4 goes there. I marked those two boxes with a 4, we have a 4 now in this column, so no 4 there, 4 supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between, now only 2 places left, and 1 should be here. Oh, there we see 1 in the middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 289, 289. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 6. We have a 6 now in this row, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the last in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here, 9 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 9 and the 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and the 9 is missing, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, 8 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here, 8 goes and there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 20 minutes, so let me give this a 2 stars. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, we will meet again in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now, and see you later on.